Hello and welcome. Today we have some very exciting news from our research and development department here at Loxone. We are proud to present to you today a brand new product, the Quadral InCeiling 7 speaker. Quadral is a loudspeaker specialist from Hanover, Germany, and for almost 50 years now, Quadral have been known for the outstanding quality of their high-fidelity components, while also being one of the largest loudspeaker manufacturers in Germany. Quadral's acoustic expertise is reflected by countless top ratings in trade magazines and online expert platforms. But now, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's take an in-depth look at our latest product. For that, I'm going to hand over to our audio specialist, Philip.
Thanks, Raphael. The 8-ohm speaker has a very clean frequency response thanks to the smooth transition from the membrane to the rim of the basket. Compared to the previous speaker, the membrane area is 50% larger. The result, the speaker is approximately 3.5 dB louder. To explain, 3 dB corresponds to a doubling of the amplifier power. Even in lower frequency ranges, it is capable of achieving 7.5 dB more in loudness. That means only 1/4 of power input is required for the same volume. The coaxial system ensures an extremely even and wide sound radiation pattern, which means no matter where you are in the room, the sound is everywhere, exceptionally balanced and linear. The single frame construction ensures a very compact design with minimal acoustically disturbing edges and depressions. Naturally, the dimensions of the speaker remain the same. This means you can continue to use the usual Loxone built-in boxes. Speaking of the built-in boxes, an excellent speaker needs the right installation boxes. On one hand, we offer the installation box for concrete ceilings, and on the other, the installation boxes for suspended ceilings. The speaker can only reach its full sound volume if these built-in boxes with the appropriate volume are used. So do not save on the built-in boxes. The difference is clearly audible. And now my colleague Raphael will give you a few tips for planning the new InCeiling 7 speaker.
Thank you, Philip. So, you might have wondered how many speakers are needed per room. As you may have guessed, the number of speakers depends on the size of the room. In a room up to 15 square meters, we recommend to plan one speaker in stereo downmix. In a room where only one speaker is needed, the audio server has the feature to separate a stereo output. This is called stereo downmix. The ceiling speaker can therefore be wired with only one speaker cable. And even though there is only one cable going to the speaker, the audio server still modulates a stereo signal on that one cable. Between 20 and 40 square meters, we recommend 2 speakers. And for rooms above 40 square meters, 4 speakers should be planned. To achieve an optimal sound experience, you should maintain a minimum distance of 50 centimeters from the nearest wall or similar obstructions. Thanks to the 8-ohm technology of the new speakers, significantly longer cable runs are possible without compromising sound quality. We recommend a cable cross-section of 1.5 square millimeters. By the way, the InCeiling 7 speaker is also suitable for protected outdoor areas, and the magnetic speaker cover can be painted in any color you like. This was an overview of the new Quadral InCeiling 7 speaker, the perfect complement to the Loxone audio server. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, we appreciate a thumbs up. And to keep you updated on the latest videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you next time.